Croissants, the classic delicacy that has captivated countless food lovers. Have you ever wondered about the secret behind those golden, crispy layers? Let's explore the super-fast croissant production process and witness some unique, never-before-seen images. Starting with the application of a rich layer of butter, it is carefully placed on top of the rolled-out dough, ensuring that the dough achieves that wonderful flaky texture characteristic of croissants. Then the dough is precisely folded with the help of excellent laminating machines. It's so smooth and satisfying. The more we watch this fascinating process, the more we feel at ease, both mentally, emotionally, and even with any anxiety. I suggest you watch the entire video and let me know if you enjoy the upcoming mass production. The zigzag layering process of the dough is built to create delicious croissants with even and continuous layers. This technique is crucial for achieving the light, crispy texture and producing a uniform structure after baking. If you're a croissant lover, you surely know the secret lies in layering the dough multiple times. These machines do the job incredibly well, and you don't need to worry about the dough sticking to your hands. Of course, that's why we have automation. Next comes the gentle kneading process with flattening rollers. It's so fascinating to watch the round blades cut the dough into long strips, then shape them into perfect triangles and roll them into the iconic croissant shape. With just a few preset settings on the machines, they are ready to create these wonderful baked goods with minimal effort. I'm sure you'll give a like to these machines for effortlessly crafting perfect shapes, as it's not something just anyone can do. I've never even tried making croissants at home. If you're like me, raise your hand and support me in the comment section. Just kidding. It's no big deal in this fast-paced modern world where we can get anything from the store except sincerity for my channel. Guys, I truly appreciate all your love. I must say, a significant number of croissants are consumed in just one day in the United States. Millions of people love to eat croissants for breakfast. That's a huge number. Modern automated bakery lines are producing croissants at an impressive speed, ranging from 100 to 300 pieces per minute. With such automation and speed, you can easily guess, right? And guess what? Croissants shine through a process called proofing, where the dough rests and rises slowly, usually over a few hours. Besides free-form croissants, there's also a method where each croissant is placed in individual molds to rise and shine in its own space. This ensures croissants achieve a golden perfection without burning. Even the largest ovens accomplish this task excellently. After baking, automatic cream nozzles poke into the croissants to release trapped steam, while simultaneously filling the croissants with rich, sweet cream, making them irresistible. Now, these croissants are ready for packaging. It's amazing to watch the machines wrap each croissant perfectly, with precision in every move, aiming for perfection. In modern life, croissants have transcended the borders of France and become a popular dish worldwide. Bakeries from Europe to Asia have croissants on their menus with various adaptations to suit local tastes. Croissant is a type of pastry with many variations, each having its own unique characteristics. Below are some popular types of croissants. Traditional croissant. This is the most basic type of croissant, made from flour, butter, yeast, and salt. The pastry has a golden, crispy outer layer with a soft and airy interior, accompanied by a rich, buttery aroma. Pain au chocolat, chocolate croissant. This variety is filled with dark chocolate, offering a delightful sweetness that perfectly balances the crispy dough and the melting chocolate inside. Almond croissant. This croissant typically contains almond cream filling and is topped with sliced almonds. Its flavor is sweet and rich, perfect for those who enjoy a nutty and buttery taste. Cheese croissant. This croissant has a melted cheese filling inside, with a crispy outer layer combining with the rich, creamy cheese to create a delicious flavor. Savory croissant. Variations of savory croissants may include ham, cheese, or vegetables in the filling, making them a perfect option for a light meal or a nutritious breakfast. Health benefits of croissants. Croissants are not only a delicious treat, but can also offer certain health benefits when enjoyed in moderation. 1. Rich source of energy. With wheat flour as the main ingredient, croissants provide a rich source of carbohydrates, which helps quickly recharge the body with energy. This is particularly beneficial in the morning when the body needs energy to start a new day. It's no surprise that croissants are often chosen for breakfast due to their ability to provide instant energy. 2. Protein from butter and milk. In addition to flour, butter and milk are two important ingredients in croissants. They provide a significant amount of protein, which helps in muscle building and recovery. While croissants are considered a light snack, they still supply essential nutrients to help the body function efficiently. Number 3, source of vitamins and minerals. Croissants also contain some beneficial vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A from butter helps protect the eyes, maintain skin health, and support the immune system. Calcium from milk supports strong bones and teeth, while iron helps enhance blood circulation, ensuring the body receives sufficient oxygen for daily activities. 4. Caution on calorie and fat content. Despite its nutritional benefits, croissants contain a high amount of saturated fat and calories, primarily from butter. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain and cardiovascular issues. Therefore, it's important to enjoy croissants thoughtfully, ensuring they are part of a balanced and healthy diet. Croissants, with their delicious flavor and crispy texture, are not only a beloved treat, but can also offer some health benefits when consumed properly. However, maintaining a balanced and reasonable diet remains crucial to fully maximize the benefits that croissants provide while ensuring long-term health and well-being.